So we talked about prophase 1. Now we're going to talk about metaphase 1. During metaphase 1, we saw the chromosomes line up along the equatorial plane, right? So this is why we did this with our hand signals. Okay. Some things that are different between mitosis and meiosis is that now, instead of just the chromosomes lining up, our homologous chromosomes are going to line up, right? So we have our homochromos that have had the swapping over. Now these are the dudes that are lining up along the equatorial plane. We're lining up in pairs now. Okay. Have our spindle fibers attaching to the centromere of each chromosome. So we want to take each chromosome and yoink it over to the others, to the opposite sides. Source of genetic variation number 3 is independent assortment. Okay, it occurs during metaphase 1. Independent assortment is where the alleles of genes are going to separate into different gametes independent of each other. So how these chromosomes line up and which side of the equatorial plane they line up on is independent of what the other chromosomes are doing. Okay, let's look at this kind of static diagram of all the different combinations of ways that chromosomes could line up. So in this case, if we are looking at a cell that has 3 chromosomes, remember these are diploids, so there's a total of 6 chromosomes. We're going to see one possibility is that all the chromosomes from parent 1 are on one side, all the chromosomes of parent 2 are on the other side, right? So when these cells separate, we're going to have one cell that has all the blue chromosomes and one cell that has all the red chromosomes, okay? Alternatively, and equally likely, is we're going to have all of the red chromosomes line up on the left side and all of the blue chromosomes line up on the right side. Equally likely, we're going to have blue, blue, red, or red, red, blue, or blue, red, blue. How the second set of chromosomes are arranged themselves, who's on the left side, who's on the right side, does not depend on what is happening with chromosome 1 or chromosome 3. These guys don't give a shit what those guys are doing. Doesn't matter. Okay? They're independent of each other.